Hey guys, welcome back to yet an awesome video in our channel. So in today's video we're going to see how to remove any video's background without using a green screen. So you can just change your backgrounds, right? So yes guys, if you're new here, do hit that subscribe button down below and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified whenever I make a video. And if you're already here, thanks for the support. So yes guys, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Welcome back guys. So today we are going to see how to change the background of a video without using a green screen. So yes guys, for this you need an app that I would say later. So before that, to make it more better, I would suggest two conditions. Just make sure you capture the video in a plain background. So here you have some disturbances like this TV and all, right? So make sure you just capture the video in a plain background so that the app work effectively to remove that background. The second point is make sure you have the exposure logged and also there is no much change on the lighting. So if your lighting keeps change, it may also affect the video. So make sure like the lighting is not changing, and if you're shooting the video in your mobile, make sure that you log the exposure. So these are the two things you need to consider before just removing a background from your video. So for this we are going to use an app called as CapCut. But before that, if you don't have the app CapCut and if your app CapCut is not available on your Google Play Store, then it's not available for your region. So go to Google, download the APK and connect to one of the VPN and then install the app. So make sure like you connect to a VPN whenever you use the CapCut app. So now let's jump into the CapCut app and see how we can remove that background of a video and replace it with some other background. So let's dive in.
So this is the sample video on which we are going to remove the background, guys. So as I said earlier, I just made sure like we have a plain background, and let's see how we can edit this and remove the background. So before that, let's just connect to the VPN. For this, I'm just using an app called as Turbo VPN. So I'm just connecting the VPN so that I can use the CapCut app. So now we have connected the VPN. Let's go inside the CapCut app. So I'm just clicking on the new project button and select the background on which we are going to place our video. So this is the background I have selected. So I am going to replace that plain background with this smoky background. Now let's import the video on which we are going to remove the background. Just click on the overlay button at the bottom and select add overlay. Now select the video on which you are going to remove the background. So first let's trim off the unwanted parts of the video. So I'm just quickly trimming it off, and now we have the background and the video ready. So it's not fit on the screen, so let me just adjust it to fit on the screen of the background as well. So once it's done, you have an option called as remove background in the bottom. Just move your slider at the bottom, you have an option called as remove background. Just click on that and wait for a few seconds. Now your background will be removed in another few minutes. Boom, your background is actually now removed. See guys, that's simply awesome, right? We have just removed the background of a video in one single click. If you're capturing the video in DSLR, you just make sure like you have a wide aperture so that your subject stands out from the background so that the app works effectively. Now let's just export this and see how the final output is. So this is the final output of the video with some minute color grading. So this is simply awesome, right? You must try it.
So yes guys, I hope this video was really helpful. If yes, do hit that like button. Likes really help us guys, so make sure you click that like button and give me in comments what more videos you want from me. And if you're new here, do hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified whenever I make a video. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Do check out all the other videos of my channel, and that's it for today's video guys. We'll meet in another video. Until then, it's your Carrio signing off.